What if I told you that your biggest money problem isn't your salary? It might be the small financial habits you repeat every single day without even noticing. Think about it. Two people earn the same income. 10 years later, one has a healthy savings account, investments, and financial peace of mind. The other is still living paycheck to paycheck. So, what changed? It wasn't luck. It wasn't intelligence. It was their daily habits. In this video, we'll break down 7 money habits that quietly hold millions of people back, and more importantly, how you can replace them with smarter ones. Let's dive in. Habit number 1, living without a plan. Imagine getting into your car for a road trip, but you have no destination, no map, no GPS. You just start driving. Sounds crazy, right? Yet that's exactly how many people manage their money. They get paid, they pay a few bills, buy coffee, order takeout, shop online, and hope there's something left by the end of the month. The problem isn't always spending too much. It's spending without a plan. A simple monthly budget doesn't restrict your freedom. It gives your money a purpose. When every dollar has a job, you're far less likely to wonder where your paycheck disappeared. Remember, if you don't tell your money where to go, it will usually disappear on its own. Habit number 2, trying to look wealthy. Here's something social media rarely shows you. Many people who look rich aren't actually wealthy. A luxury car, designer clothes, the newest phone, a beautiful vacation. These things don't always reflect financial security. Sometimes they reflect monthly payments. Real wealth often looks surprisingly ordinary. Many financially secure people prioritize saving, investing, and living below their means, instead of constantly upgrading their lifestyle. Before making a purchase, ask yourself one simple question. Am I buying this because I truly need it, or because I want other people to notice it? That one question can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars over time. Habit number 3, ignoring small expenses. Have you ever bought something for $5 and thought, it's only $5? Now imagine doing that every day. A coffee here, a snack there, a food delivery fee, an unused subscription. None of these purchases seem significant on their own, but together, they can quietly consume a meaningful part of your monthly budget. This doesn't mean you should never enjoy your favorite coffee or treat yourself. The goal isn't to eliminate every small pleasure. The goal is to become aware of where your money is going. Financial progress often begins with awareness. Habit number 4, waiting to save what's left. This is one of the most common money habits. People spend first, then try to save whatever remains. The problem? For many households, very little remains. Instead, many financial educators recommend reversing the order. Save first, spend what's left. Even if it's only a small amount each payday, consistency matters more than size. Over time, regular saving can help you build an emergency fund and work toward long-term financial goals. The amount may start small, but the habit can become one of the most valuable financial decisions you make. Transition. So far, we've covered 4 habits that quietly drain your finances, but the next 3 habits may be even more important. One of them is something millions of people do every single week without realizing how much it costs them in the long run. Let's continue. Habit number 5, buying things to feel better. Have you ever had a stressful day and suddenly felt the urge to buy something? You're not alone. Many people use shopping as a way to deal with stress, boredom, or frustration. It feels good in the moment, but that feeling often fades quickly. The purchase remains. And so does the bill. Instead of asking, what do I want to buy? Try asking, what am I actually feeling right now? Sometimes the problem isn't that you need something new. Sometimes you just need rest, a walk outside, a conversation with a friend, or a break from social media. Learning to separate emotions from spending is one of the most valuable money skills you can develop. Habit number 6, never learning about money. Imagine trying to drive a car without ever learning the rules of the road. That's how many people approach personal finance. Schools often teach math, science, and history, but very few teach budgeting, investing, taxes, or retirement planning. That means learning about money becomes your responsibility. The good news? You don't need a finance degree. Reading one personal finance book, watching educational videos, or spending just 15 minutes a day learning about money can make a meaningful difference over time. Financial knowledge helps you make better decisions, and better decisions often lead to better financial outcomes. Habit number 7, thinking small changes don't matter. Many people believe that saving $10 or $20 isn't worth the effort, but wealth is rarely built through one big decision. It's usually built through hundreds of small, consistent decisions. Preparing meals at home more often, canceling subscriptions you no longer use, saving a little from every paycheck, avoiding unnecessary impulse purchases. Each action may seem small, but together, they can create meaningful progress over months and years. Consistency is often more powerful than perfection. Final thoughts. If you recognized yourself in some of these habits, don't be discouraged. Everyone makes money mistakes. The important thing is recognizing them and making gradual improvements. You don't have to change everything today. Start with one habit. Practice it until it becomes part of your routine. Then move on to the next. Small improvements, repeated consistently, can lead to meaningful financial progress over time. Remember, building better financial habits isn't about becoming rich overnight. It's about making smarter decisions that support your long-term goals. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more practical, evidence-based personal finance content. Until next time, take care of your money so it can take care of your future.